Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find DoorDash promo code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search here DoorDash promo code like I am searching. Okay, and then you need to open the first website. Here you can see that DoorDash promo code. So here you can find latest promo code that you can use to get discount. So here you can see 50%, $10 coupon code, 25%, 30%, $20 coupon code. So basically you simply need to click on this icon and it will redirect to you to the promo code. Then you need to copy that and then you need to visit DoorDash and you simply need to apply that code in DoorDash. So this is the simple process by which you can get promo code for your DoorDash. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.